Just got your first Tesla? Excited, but not sure where to get started? Don't worry. Just watch this Tesla app walkthrough video. Hey guys, Tasha again with Tesla Tech. Before we get started, please help us reach our goal of 5,000 subscribers by subscribing now. Hit that notification bell, and if you like this video, then give us a thumbs up. Okay, so let's take a look at the setup. Open your Tesla app and click on the settings icon in the upper left corner. In settings, you will see Inbox, Lootbox, Account, Notifications, Face ID, Calendar Sync, and Sign Out. Periodically, Tesla may send messages to your phone. You can view these messages by selecting the inbox. Tesla offers referral rewards to its customers, and you can view these rewards by selecting the loot box. Under the account option, you can find video guides, edit your contact information, and access Tesla's support URLs. To set up the notifications for your app, select Notifications and check the notifications that you would like to receive. You can also enable Face ID and Calendar Sync. Calendar Sync allows your vehicle to sync to the calendar on your phone. The Sign Out option allows you to sign out from the app. On the main screen, you'll find your vehicle's name, battery information, charging information, quick controls, and a list of other options. Under quick controls, you'll find the climate control, frunk, and lock icons. If you select the climate icon, it turns on the climate inside the vehicle. If you select the frunk icon, a message will appear asking if you are sure that you want to open the frunk. If you select yes, the frunk will open. To lock or unlock the doors, select the lock icon. If your phone has been set up as a phone key for your vehicle, it will show as connected under Phone Key. This indicates that there is a Bluetooth connection between your phone and the vehicle. If it shows as disconnected, this indicates that it does not have a Bluetooth connection to your vehicle. For more information on how to set up your phone as a phone key, please click on the above link. The climate option shows the interior temperature of your vehicle. If you select it, you will have the option to turn the climate on in your vehicle. You can make modifications such as increase or decrease the temperature in your vehicle, turn on the front and rear defrosters, turn on the front and rear seat warmers, and if desired, turn off climate control. Under control, you have the vent option, which opens the windows slightly, the option to unlock and lock the doors, flash the lights and honk the horn, remote start your vehicle, open the frunk and trunk, and if you have HomeLink, you can open and close your garage as well. Controls also gives you the option to enable valet mode, sentry mode, and set a maximum speed limit for your vehicle. Under charging, you will find the charging information for your vehicle. This shows the available range, the charge rate, and the volts and amps. This is where you would also configure your charge threshold. Simply click on the arrow and slide it to the right or left of the battery to your desired setting. You will also see a list of supercharge stations listed under the charging option. The location feature will display your vehicle's exact location. If you have full self-driving, then your car will be equipped with the summon feature. As per Tesla, this feature will move your car in and out of a tight space using the mobile app or key. Smart Summon is another feature which, as per Tesla, will allow your car to navigate more complex environments and parking spaces while maneuvering around objects as necessary to come find you in a parking lot. Check back shortly for our video demonstrating Summon and Smart Summon. To view purchased or available upgrades, click on the Upgrade option. Under the Service option, you can schedule a service appointment and check your service history. If your car is disabled, you can click on the Roadside Assistance option for Tesla's roadside assistance. Periodically, Tesla releases software updates for your vehicle. If a software update is available, you will see it in the app. The software update will only appear if one is available for your vehicle. You should also receive a notification alerting you that there is a software update available. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit like if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time.